Oh, you tell me that wasn't recording. Ah! Oh, that was terrible. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. You gotta be kidding me. And again. Okay. God damn it. There we go. Oh, okay. Jesus. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This thing didn't even turn on? For sakes. Ah. Christ. All right. So follow along. Stay tuned for this video. Have you ever wanted a module? No, I'm not going to appear in it. So stay tuned for the next video. We are going to cover painting, installing the back. So stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, we're going to. So stay tuned for the next. Fuck. Just to test to see if this is the right place to stand and if you can actually see my hairline. All right, well that build brings. All right, that build. No, don't like that. Also, you'll. Ah, okay, I hate this.